What's up guys, it's me Geek. So I'm recording the rear camera in mono setting, which only record in in HD mode. So this is the mono. As you can see, I'm looking black and white. I just wanna demonstrate the rear camera, the mono feature. The Essential phone have a dual 13 megapixel camera. One is the regular, second one is monochrome. I'm a big fan of monochrome. And then the microphone of the Essential phone sound amazing. When I'm telling it's amazing, then it means it's amazing. I have never seen such an awesome microphone on a smartphone. So you need to be the judge how good is the monochrome of the Essential phone, to be honest with you. So yeah, this is the monochrome. Make sure to subscribe and bye.